Our ancestors stood before the Most High, made a covenant with the Creator of all. The Israelites stood in the presence of the Most High with their wives and children, all the leaders of our people and all of their possessions. They heard the blessings the Most High would bestow upon them if they followed the statutes and the commandments. They heard the curses that would hunt them down if they disobeyed the covenant. Nothing was a secret when they established the covenant with the Most High that day. Our ancestors were aware of the consequences. The Most High made it known to them. However, our ancestors, as well as the strangers that live among the Israelites, stood before the Most High, opened their mouths, and established the covenant.